everyone, I'm Margot Dwaihi, Editor-at-Large with Future Publishing's AV Group, and I'm here at Lumens. Now, wireless collaboration, PTZ cameras, and optics, hot categories in the AV market right now. But Lumens has some illuminating ideas and bringing new products to the market, so let's see what's new. I'm here with Chris Skaggs, who's a product manager with Lumens. And Chris, there's some bright ideas here at Lumens today. Can you tell us about your new product and what makes it unique?
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Margot. We have the new TapShare product here. It's a screen sharing and collaboration solution. So basically, in a meeting setting, people can come into the meeting room with their various devices and connect to one of these pods and then share something from their screen. So I have a screen connected here, this laptop, which is being shared. Now I can add another device by simply pressing the button. And if I come in with my iPhone, I can also connect my iPhone to this device as well. So the benefit really being you can come in with a multitude of different devices and connect to our system and share your screen in an instant. No software to download, very easy to use.
Perfect for the BYOD generation, the now generation. They want it instantaneously.
Yes, exactly.
So that's not the only illuminating idea here at Lumens. Can you tell us about another product that you have here?
Sure, we also have a brand new USB 3.0 ePTZ camera. So it's a fixed lens, it's a 4K camera, but it will zoom and pan and tilt within the image, and it's going to be released on the street at a very competitive price for your smaller room video conferencing applications. We also have an NDI compatible camera that works really well within an NDI environment. Super low latency video over IP, as low as 130, 140 milliseconds. So we're really excited about those products as well.
So a diverse set of offerings, but sounds like the thread is easy to use and a value proposition.
Exactly. I mean, we're an optics company. Our main focus is optics. We have a number of different solutions and ways we can present our optical power to the markets here. So we're very excited.
Thank you so much.